To make the leaves around the flowers here and here and here, you will use a fishbone stitch and 6 strands of embroidery floss, so the full strand. To do a fishbone stitch, bring your needle up from the back at the top of the leaf, and then go down the center line, kind of a longer stitch length depending on what look you're going for. And then you're going to bring your needle up on the right hand side following this curve here, so just slightly to the right and below. And then you'll bring it down slightly below the end of this first stitch on this center line here. And then go over to the left side of the leaf following this left curve here. And then back down the center line slightly below the last stitch that you did. So continue, do one on the right, down to the center line, and then on the left. And then just continue that pattern right and left till you get all the way down the center line to fill in the entire shape.